So we've all been there, idly scrolling through our social media feeds, watching one viral video after another. And you think to yourself, I could do that? Why isn't anyone paying me to make videos? Well, I've got news for you. You can. And in this day and age, anyone with a camera, an internet connection, and some basic editing skills can start a YouTube channel. And if you do it right, that channel can make you some serious cash. The ability to make a career out of posting videos on YouTube without showing your face is no longer a dream. In fact, it's become a reality for many people. But how do you make sure that your channel is one of the successful ones? Well, how can you create a YouTube cash cow channel? Take, for example, the popular YouTube cash cow channel, Faxverse. This channel is dedicated to providing a compilation of outsourced videos about unusually interesting celebrity facts. Now, they don't even show their faces, yet they have about 9 million subscribers and generate over $100,000 in revenue each month. This is just an example, and I am not saying that you will make this much money, nowhere close to it. There's a chance you won't make anything, honestly. But with that being said, before you quit your day job, there are a few things you should know about on how to make a successful YouTube cash cow channel of your own. And in this video, I'm going to give you the lowdown on everything from picking the right niche to producing high quality content that will keep viewers coming back for more. Number one, of course, is pick a niche, a topic that you're going to be interested in and passionate about. This is the first step in creating a successful YouTube cash cow channel. It's to pick a niche topic that you are going to be interested in and passionate about. This may seem like an obvious statement, but it's important to reiterate because so many people try to start channels, myself included, about topics they think will be popular without actually caring about the subject matter. Now, your audience can sense when you're not being genuine, and they'll be less likely to watch your videos or subscribe to your channel. Not only that, if you're truly not interested in the content you're showcasing, you're going to begin to burn out after a while like me, and it will show in your videos. But if you pick a niche topic that you're passionate about from the start, then, well, you're going to be more likely to stick with it in the long run. Number two is produce high quality content that's both entertaining and informative. So once you've picked a niche, it's time to start producing that high quality content for your channel. And when I say high quality, I mean videos that are both entertaining and informative. Your videos don't need to be Hollywood productions, but they should be well curated and well edited and interesting to watch. If your videos are dull or poorly made or just informative, viewers are going to click off and they're unlikely to come back and your retention is going to suffer. To make your videos more engaging, make sure you include a mix of different types of content. Now, you want to provide value to your viewers while also keeping things fresh and interesting. This is a key component of a successful YouTube channel. 3 is be consistent with your content. Don't be like me. Another important thing to keep in mind when creating content for your YouTube channel is to be consistent. Don't be like me and have 4 other channels and you just totally stop posting. On a regular basis, you need to be putting out content. Okay? The algorithm favors channels that are consistently posting new content. So the more you post, the more likely your channel is going to be seen by potential viewers. Not to mention, the more potential viewers you get, the more views you're going to get on your other videos because they're going to be checking out your channel. And like I just said, if you're consistently putting out new videos, your viewers will be more likely to keep coming back for more and subscribing. Consistency is key when it comes to YouTube's success. So make sure you're regularly cranking out new and exciting content for your channel. One way to do this, while avoiding burnout, is to batch schedule your videos. Now, what I mean by this is creating a bunch of videos at once and then scheduling them to be released over the course of several days or weeks if you get that much content. This way, you're not constantly having to create new videos and ideas every single day, but you're still maintaining a consistent posting schedule. If you're starting with a new account with 0 subscribers and views and videos, I recommend having at least 5 videos created before you launch that channel. Because if people are interested in one of your videos, they're going to have 4 others that they can go to your channel and watch. And this is likely going to convert them into a subscriber and more views. Number 4, outsource, outsource, outsource. This is the whole idea behind a YouTube cash cow channel. You're making money without showing your face and without putting in too much labor. This means you'll need to outsource the actual video creation process. There are a few ways you can do this. You can hire a freelancer or multiple to create videos for you in scripts or etc. Or you can purchase pre-made videos from sites like Fire and Upwork, but I do not recommend that. You can still create your own videos if you have the time and resources to do so. But if you're looking to make this a true cash cow channel, I recommend outsourcing as much as you can. This includes finding a script writer, voiceover, video editor, thumbnail creator. But of course, you can take charge and work on any one of these 4 elements if you choose, and ultimately you're going to save money. And maybe, for example, you love editing videos. Go ahead. In later videos, I'm going to explain and show my exact process of outsourcing and what I do to find freelancers for each one of these project elements. Number 5, engage with your viewers. Just because you're not showing your face in your videos doesn't mean you can't engage with your viewers. In fact, engagement is still a key component of any successful YouTube channel. You should respond to comments and questions left on your videos, as well as interact with other users on the platform. This will help build a community of loyal followers who will help promote your channel. Remember, even though you're not the one in front of the camera, you're still the face of your channel. So make sure you're engaging with your viewers and building that camaraderie with them. So my final thoughts. Overall, creating a YouTube cash cow channel is a great way to make money without showing your face or putting in too much labor. But you need to remember to start by picking a niche that you're interested in, and then produce high quality and entertaining content. You should also engage with your viewers by responding to their comments and questions. Build a community of loyal followers, and they're going to help you promote your channel. With some effort, you can create a successful YouTube cash cow channel that will generate a steady stream of income. Thank you so much for watching.